whether in quarantine or not. Do you have a reason to jump out of your bed and get up all fresh and happy in the morning? You can find your answer in Ikigai. But what is Ikigai? Well, Ikigai originated from the Japanese island Okinawa, which homes the largest population who live for 100 plus years. Ikigai means the purpose to live or a reason for being, and is often associated with health and longevity. Everyone has an Ikigai. You too have one, and you must search for it. So, what is your Ikigai? To answer this question, let's discuss the 4 basic principles of Ikigai. What you love doing, what you are good at, what you can be paid for, and what the world needs. The intersection of the first circle, what you love doing, and the second circle, what you are good at, gives you passion. In other words, something that you like to do and gain excellence through training, knowledge, and hand-on experience is your passion. For example, you love to write and you get good at it by enhancing your skills and become a writer. So this becomes your passion. The junction between the second circle, what you are good at, and the third circle, what you can be paid for, offers profession. For instance, you have fine-tuned your skills to be a good content writer and you make money out of it. This becomes your profession. The crossroad between the third circle, what you can be paid for, and the fourth circle, what the world needs, presents vocation. In other words, the skill that makes you money and is important and required by the world is a vocation. For example, the books, blogs, contents, articles that you write are educating people and the world needs it. This is your vocation. The crossway of the fourth circle, what the world needs, and the first circle, what you love doing, will bring in your mission. For instance, you love writing and you started writing about the most wanted topics, then it's your mission. A work that satisfies all the 4 components will be your Ikigai. Your aim should be to find that one skill that overlaps all the 4 components, and only then you will be able to live stress-free, long and healthy life. Let me give you an example. Cristiano Ronaldo is known by almost everyone. Ronaldo is a professional football player. He likes to play football and has developed the required skills. His games entertain the world and he gets monetary compensation for playing football. So over here, all the 4 components are being satisfied and playing football is his Ikigai. All the famous personalities have discovered their Ikigai and therefore they are merrily successful. Ikigai also gives you immense energy levels to stay fit and not retire. For instance, Morgan Freeman, an 82 years old actor, has been active for over 5 decades and has done over 70 movies. An Oscar winner at 67 has not retired yet, as he never gets tired or bored of what he does. His Ikigai is acting. Finding your Ikigai and achieving it will make you irreplaceable, as much as even technology won't be able to replace you. Like Mark Code, the only pinstripe or coastline painter for Rolls-Royce, has a rare skill of manually drawing line on the car and is still irreplaceable. Now, let's quickly learn how to achieve Ikigai. So number 1, question yourself, what makes you motivate? What makes you get up in the morning? Number 2, jot down at least 3 answers to each principle. Number 3, stay tuned and always read your intuitions. Number 4, accept who you are. And number 5, most importantly, live in the moment. I would prepare a very insightful read on this topic, the book named Ikigai, The Japanese Secret to a Long and Happy Life by Hector Garcia and Francis Miralles. Finding Ikigai is an intriguing journey that leads to a satisfying life. Let's discover ours. Thank you. Stay safe, stay contented.